Hi friends, this is Kamla Ramesh. In this video, we are going to conduct some experiments. Please take a notebook and pencil so that you can watch the video and decide things which are soluble in water and insoluble in water. Classify them and make a list. So to start up with, I have taken a test tube and you can find a stone here. So let's see if it is soluble in water. So it is not soluble in water. Please make a note. So I have water in the test tube. I am going to put these marbles in the test tube. So find what happens. Are they getting dissolved? No. Marbles are made up of glass. So glass when put in water does not dissolve. So it is a insoluble substance. So I have taken a piece of rubber. Let's see what happens when we put in water. Is it getting dissolved? No. So this shows it is insoluble in water. Rubber is insoluble in water. Make a note and write the objects that are soluble in water and not soluble in water. Let's see what happens when we put the chalk in the water. So this is a chalk pencil. I am going to put this in the water. Let's see if it is getting dissolved. Do you find any changes? No. So chalk is not soluble in water. So I have taken thermocol pieces. Let's see what happens when I put in the water. So I have put in the water. Let's see if they are getting dissolved. So you can find they are not getting dissolved. So the thermocol is insoluble in water. So this is a crayon. I am putting it in the water. Do you find any changes? It's not getting dissolved in water. So it is insoluble in water. Crayons are insoluble in water. So I have taken water in the test tube. Let's mix this with the color. Let's see if they are soluble in water. So when we mix the colors with water, we can find the color is soluble in water. The colors get dissolved in water easily, so they are soluble in water. So I have taken water again. So this is sugar. I am going to add sugar in the water. And I am going to stir it. Observe in the bottle. The sugar is getting dissolved in water slowly. So sugars get dissolved in water. They are soluble in water. Here you have water in the test tube, or we are going to add oil. We are going to add oil and see if they are soluble in water. So watch carefully. The oil is not dissolved in water. This shows the oil is not soluble in water. It is insoluble in water. You can find water in another part and oil floating at the top. So you can find the oil is floating on the water and the water is at the bottom. So let's take water again and I'm going to add tea leaf. I'm going to add tea leaf to this and I'm going to stir it. Is it getting dissolved? No, you can see the tea leaves are getting mixed but they are not getting dissolved in water. So the tea leaves are insoluble. They do not get dissolved in water. So I have taken milk. Let's see if it is getting dissolved in water. Is it soluble in water? Can you find any difference? No. When we mixed oil in water, we saw that oil was floating, but it did not get dissolved in water. But when we add water to the milk, it is soluble in water. So let's see if the rice or any food grains get dissolved in water. Are they soluble? Are they soluble? You can watch the grains settle down. They are insoluble in water. So friends, try this experiment with different commodities or things like plastic, candle, food grains and so on, and make a list things that are soluble in water and things that are not soluble in water. Thank you.